Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Spark US, the place where we ignite your passion for learning language. I'm your host, Emily.
And hello, everyone. I'm Mike. It is great to be here, even if I am moving a little bit like a robot today.
I noticed that, Mike. You are walking very stiffly. You look like you're in pain. Is everything okay? Did you have an accident?
No accident, Emily. Just a bad decision. I decided to finally go back to the gym yesterday, but I think I overdid it.
Oh, the gym. That explains it. But why does going to the gym relate to our English lesson today?
So yesterday, I felt motivated. I ran on the treadmill, I lifted heavy weights, and I did squats. I felt like a superhero while I was doing it.
That sounds amazing. Good for you for getting healthy.
Thank you. But today, I don't feel like a superhero. My muscles are screaming at me. Every time I move, I remember those weights.
I totally understand. But Mike, there is a very famous idiom in English that describes exactly what you are feeling right now. Do you know which one I mean?
I think I do. It's the one about suffering to get results.
The phrase is, no pain, no gain.
Ah, yes. No pain, no gain. It means if you don't work hard and suffer a little bit, you won't see any positive results.
Precisely. And today we are discussing how this fitness philosophy applies to English Spark US listeners. We are talking about fitness for your English brain.
That is a cool concept. So my brain is like a muscle.
It is. And just like your legs hurt today, your brain needs to feel a little bit of hurt to actually grow stronger.
Before we dive into the heavy lifting of language learning, we need your help to grow our community.
That's right. If you want to build your English muscles, please hit that subscribe button for English Spark US. It really helps us create more lessons for you.
And give us a like if you've ever felt tired after studying. Share this episode with your gym buddy or your study partner.
Okay, Mike, you said you were sweating and wanted to quit at the gym. Why didn't you stop?
Because I want the result. I want to be fit.
Let's be 100% honest with our listeners. Mike, is learning English always fun, easy, and entertaining?
I want to say yes, but the honest answer is no. Absolutely not.
Thank you for being honest. We love the fun parts, like watching Netflix in English or chatting with friends, but there are parts that are just plain painful.
Oh, for sure. For me, it is memorizing phrasal verbs, or trying to understand the difference between the present perfect and past simple. It gives me a headache.
That headache is important. It means you're pushing your limits. Think about your gym workout. If you only lift a tiny pink dumbbell that weighs nothing, do you get big muscles?
No, it is easy, but nothing changes. My body stays the same.
Exactly. English is the same. If you only say, "How are you?" and "I am fine," you are lifting the tiny dumbbell. It feels safe, but you aren't growing.
So when I study complex grammar and my brain feels tired and foggy, that is actually the muscle breakdown happening in my head.
Yes, that mental fatigue is the pain in no pain, no gain.
I think I know what you mean. At the gym, I sometimes feel scared that I looked stupid. I worry everyone is watching me lift the weights wrongly.
That is the ego pain. And in English, this happens when we have to speak.
Oh, definitely. Speaking is terrifying. I'm always afraid I will pronounce a word wrong or use the wrong tense.
It is uncomfortable. It feels embarrassing. But Mike, that embarrassment is the sweat of language learning. You have to feel it to improve.
So, feeling nervous when talking to a waiter is actually a good sign?
Let's give the English Spark US family some concrete tips. If you want to get strong, you can't just go to the gym once a month for 10 hours.
That would destroy me. I would be injured. You have to go regularly, maybe 3 or 4 times a week.
Consistency is key. It is better to study English for 15 minutes every single day than for 5 hours on a Sunday.
That actually sounds much more manageable. Just 15 minutes.
Yes, a short daily workout keeps the brain muscle active and ready.
In the fitness world, we have a saying, don't skip leg day. Leg day is painful and exhausting, so people avoid it.
In English, leg day is writing and grammar. Everyone wants to skip it. They just want to listen or speak because it feels more fun.
I am guilty of this. I hate writing essays. It takes so much focus.
But writing gives you the structure. It's the foundation. If you skip the hard stuff, your English will be weak, just like a bodybuilder with tiny legs.
Wait, doing nothing? Are you telling me I can be lazy and learn English?
Not lazy, but rested. Mike, do muscles grow while you're lifting the weights?
No. Actually, biologically, muscles grow while you are sleeping and recovering after the workout.
Boom! It is the same for the brain. You need sleep to consolidate memory. If you study 24/7, you will burn out.
Burnout is terrible. You lose motivation, and you stop enjoying the language.
Exactly. So taking a break is actually part of the discipline.
I think I know what this enemy is. At the gym, there is this guy. He is huge. He lifts cars, basically. When I look at him, I feel weak.
That is called comparison. In language learning, you look at someone on YouTube who speaks perfectly and you feel bad about your own level.
Yes, I think, why is my accent so bad? Why can't I speak that fast? It makes me want to quit.
But Mike, did that strong guy at the gym wake up like that?
No, he probably has been training for 10 years.
The quote is, "Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20.
I love that. So I am just at the beginning of my fitness journey, and that guy is at the end of his?
Exactly. Focus on your own weights. Did you learn 5 new vocabulary words today?
Yes, I did.
Then you are stronger today than you were yesterday. That is the only comparison that matters. You versus you yesterday.
That is a very healthy mindset. It takes the pressure off.
We talked a lot about the pain, the studying, the nervousness, the grammar. Remind us, what is the gain?
The gain is freedom, Mike. Imagine traveling to any country and handling situations easily. Imagine watching American movies and understanding the jokes without reading subtitles.
Or getting a promotion at work because you can handle international clients.
Exactly. Being able to express your true personality and humor in another language. That is a superpower.
You are right. That reward is definitely worth the sore muscles and the headaches.
Mike, at the gym, I have to eat protein. Does eating chocolate help me learn English?
Unfortunately, no, but your diet, in English, is what you consume. You need to consume high-quality content.
Ah, I see. So instead of junk food, I need to feed my brain with good podcasts, news articles, and books.
Yes, but I think a little piece of chocolate is a good reward after you finish your grammar exercises.
No pain, no chocolate. I like that version of the quote much better.
Let's review the English Spark US workout plan.
Step 1, consistency. Show up every day, even for just 20 minutes. Don't be a weekend warrior.
Correct. Step 2, don't skip leg day. Tackle the hard stuff. Learn the grammar rules, write the sentences, and do the boring exercises. It builds your foundation.
I promise I will stop avoiding the difficult stuff.
Good. What is step 3?
Step 3 is rest. Sleep well so your brain can remember what you learned. Don't burn out.
And finally, step 4, stop comparing. Focus on your own journey. Don't worry about how fast other people are learning. Run your own race.
This makes me feel much more confident. It's not about being perfect immediately. It's about showing up and doing the work.
Precisely. It is about progress, not perfection.
My legs are still crying, but yes, I will go. I might just walk slowly on the treadmill, but I will go.
That's the spirit, and I hope you will study your English tomorrow too.
I will. I'm going to read a news article in English, and I'm going to look up every word I don't know. It will be painful, but I will do it.
I am proud of you. And to our listeners, we want you to adopt this athlete mindset. You are mental athletes.
Whenever you feel stuck, or you can't find the right word, or you feel silly speaking, remember that is the moment of growth.
That struggle is your brain lifting the heavy weight. Don't run away from it.
Run toward the difficulty. Embrace the challenge. I feel energized now. I feel like I just drank 3 energy drinks, but without the sugar.
That's the power of motivation, Mike.
We want to know, what is your biggest pain in English?
Yes, let us know in the comments below. Is it listening to fast speakers? Is it phrasal verbs? Or maybe it's the fear of speaking in public?
Venting about your struggle is healthy. And also, tell us your game. What is your dream? Why are you studying so hard?
We read every comment and we want to cheer you on. You are not alone in this gym. We are all training together.
If this episode gave you a mental boost, please subscribe to English Spark US. It helps us keep the lights on and the lessons coming.
And hit the notification bell so you never miss a workout session with us.
Thank you so much for listening. Remember, treat your brain like a muscle. Be consistent and don't be afraid to sweat a little.
No pain, no gain. See you in the next lesson, everyone. Keep sparking your English.
Bye for now. Time to go eat some chocolate. Study.